Good morning, students. Today we will study about basic concepts of chemistry. This is also PUC first year topic. In this topic, we will study about interconversion, interconversion of units. Interconversion of units. Afterwards, we will study about accuracy, precision, then fundamental units. Next, laws of chemical combination, significant figures, then percentage composition, empirical formula, molecular formula, and mole concept, Avogadro number, and concentration of solution. That is by using units like molarity, mole fraction, molality, then mass percent, volume percent, mass by volume percent, ppm, etc. But first we cover about interconversion of units. So with respect to first temperature, first one temperature, then second pressure, temperature, pressure, then third volume, Now see, with respect to temperature, so different units we can use to represent temperature. They may be degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit or Kelvin. Degree Celsius, Fahrenheit, Kelvin. Now, see how to relate degree Celsius and Kelvin. So convert degree Celsius into Kelvin. Kelvin equal to degree Celsius value plus 273. Conversion of degree Celsius into 273. Example, boiling point of water 100 degrees Celsius. They are converted into Kelvin. 100 degrees Celsius plus 273. Then we get 373. Its unit 373 K. Next, if Kelvin is given, how to convert into degree Celsius? Degree Celsius equal to Kelvin value minus 273 or 273.15. Anyone you can use. Then in terms of degree Fahrenheit equal to 9 by 5 degrees Celsius plus 32. So Fahrenheit into degree Celsius, then 9 by 5 degrees Celsius equal to Fahrenheit minus 32. That also you can write. Interconversion of Fahrenheit to degree to Fahrenheit. Then the Fahrenheit to Kelvin. First convert Fahrenheit into degree Celsius, then into Kelvin, like this. So they will give questions in exam. If degree Celsius given, convert into Fahrenheit by using this formula 9 by 5 degrees Celsius plus 32. Okay. Next, in terms of pressure, see how to study. Pressure. 1 atmospheric pressure equal to 760 mm of mercury or 760 torr. 1 atmosphere equal to 760 mm mercury or 760 torr. Then now 1 bar equal to 10 to the power 5 Pascal. 1 bar equal to 10 raised to 5 Pascal. So this is with respect to pressure. If 1 atmosphere is given, there is a 760 mercury, or 100 atmosphere is given, 100 into 760, like this. And if Pascal is given, how to convert into bar? So Pascal value into 10 raised to 5. Then we get bar. Then if bar value given, convert into Pascal. Therefore, by 10 raised to 5, 7. Like this we can interconvert the units. Then volume. So consider in terms of liter and centimeter cube. 1 liter equal to 1000 ml or 1000 centimeter cube. 1 liter equal to 1000 ml or 1000 centimeter cube. Next, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. 10 raised to minus 2 meter. This is 1 centimeter value. One centimeter equal to 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Next, let's see how to convert 1 liter into SI unit. This is non-SI unit. Convert into SI. 10 raised to 3, 1000 10 raised to 3 into 1 centimeter value 10 raised to minus 2 meter power 3. 1 centimeter 10 raised to minus 2 power 3. Then 10 raised to minus 2 into 3 minus 6 plus 3. Therefore 10 raised to minus 3 m cube. This is 1 liter. So volume unit, there is m cube because length into breadth into height. Length into breadth into height. L into B into H. There is m into m into m cube. This is SI unit. Conversion of liter to m cube. Centimeter to m cube means the conversion of centimeter to meter and liter to meter. So this interconversion of units in volume. Okay. So first bit I told interconversion of units with respect to temperature, pressure and volume. Next we'll study about accuracy and precision. Accuracy and precision. Now, see what is meant by accuracy, precision. So this is related with what measurement values. Example, 10.4 centimeter cube. Volume of the solution. Let it be 10 raised to 4. This is the expected value. Then found value by two students A and B. Two students A and B. A student got 10.41 and second value 10.42. Two values. Other student got 10.9, 10.91. Yes, you can see the values 10.4, 10.9, but nearer value. Now it is said to be what? A precise value with respect to 10.4 and accurate value 10.41, 10.4. Difference of 0.01, 10.4 to 0.02. If the values are very nearer, that is called accurate. But these we can use in laboratories. This is accuracy, precision. Next, significant